Alright guys, we're leaving Cao Bang. We've been here for 2 days. Our plan for Cao Bang was the waterfall, check, the pagoda, check, and the mountain with the, what they're calling the Eagle Eye. So we're heading from Cao Bang back to Ha Giang. On the way, the Eagle Eye. We've been told the Eagle Eye is the best out of the three, like by more than one person. So high expectations for the Eagle Eye. We're gonna hop on our bike and head towards Mountain Eagle Eye. Let's go. Okay, new plan. We're ahead of schedule, so we've decided to teach Ivana how to ride the motorcycle. Dun, dun, dun. Semi-automatic. So she's got a gear shifter down here, but no clutch. So easy to ride. First time. Have you ever ridden a horse?
Yes.
Wow, you're gonna be good then, Ivana.
Gosh, I'm so scared.
So look here, see it's in neutral. The green light over here. So you gotta put it to 1.
Okay.
So put it to 1. Now it's in gear. Now if you turn that right hand, it's gonna go. If you turn it, it's gonna go. Dun 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 dun. You're killing it. Okay, okay, okay. Second gear, second gear. Left toe, left toe. Left toe down. Second gear. Now hit it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at you going, Mana! Woo-hoo! Race ya, race ya. Wow. What? Kickstand, kickstand. Oh! Okay, a little mishap at the end, but you did great, Ivana. So how does it feel?
Wow.
How does it feel? How does it feel?
I was so nervous.
I noticed when you took off, like from sitting still to going,
Yeah.
you took off pretty straight. When I took off the first couple times, I was doing this a lot. You were a natural.
I went slow and then fast and then slow. It's kind of hard to control the speed.
It's true. At the beginning, the throttle seems very touchy. It doesn't seem smooth. It seems like,
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Good job. So you want to ride home?
Yeah.
You want to drive?
No. Are you gonna be nervous if I drive?
I would be so scared. I'd be constantly giving you advice. Backseat driver. Fun, slow down. Turn left. Up gear. Change gears. Use the brake. Foot brake. Hand brake. Oh my God, it'd be terrible. I'll drive. Very slow.
All right.
Good work, Ivana. Wow, Ivana. Look at our fancy coffees. Wow. We had to stop. It's too cold. So this is Vietnamese style coffee where it drips from here. You know, it drips into the cup here. But I've never seen with the candles. So pretty. So we've got full of coffee beans here. I think it's ready because if I push down, there's like a tiny bit of water, but almost none. And then it's dripping from the bottom into there. See the drip? I think it's ready, Ivana. Is it good?
It's like drinking brownies.
It's like drinking brownies. It really is.
It still looks black.
It looks black, even though there's milk in it.
Yeah.
So strong. Wow, guys, they even brought us some flower tea. They say it's free. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna get it in this little cup, but I try to ask them and they just keep saying, yeah, do it. Oh, no, Ivana, there's something here. How do I do it? Oh, that's the trick. Cheers, Ivana. Let's have some of our fun.
Wow. Coffee and
Look at the table. All of this. We just ordered coffee. We get all this. Come on. Oh, it's good, Ivana.
tastes
good,
like
no?
flowers.
Tastes like, what's the one I'm thinking of? Jasmine or something? Jasmine? Lavender. I'm guessing.
Tastes like flowers though.
It's good.
Tastes like fresh flowers.
It tastes quite nice.
Yeah.
I think they give you the tea because the coffee is so strong that your mouth would be just like, you need something to rinse your mouth. This place is incredible. What a good find, Ivana. Look at all we got for 40,000 dong. Like $2 American. 2 cups of tea, 2 cups of coffee, and all of the cups had flames beneath them. This is just a five-star experience. Ba Hop Cafe. Tiny little cafe in the middle of nowhere. What a great find. What a great find. Okay guys, one more thing before we leave this bakery, this cafe, called corn cake.
Yes, corn cake.
So we're putting this pastry in this, frying it. Gotta try it.
Looks good.
Looks good, right? Wonder if it's sweet, wonder if it's salty, don't know. Corn cake. Oh, what's this one?
Banana, yes. Banana.
Banana cake.
Yes.
Oh. Wow, what a good find, this bakery. Amazing place. You can see the corn. Oh, it smells like corn. It really smells like corn. Eat it, Ivana. Cheers, cheers. Ching.
Very good.
Wow, it's good. Zit non.
Zetnon, yes, yes, gone.
Here's how you do it, Ivana. 1 small banana, squished into the batter, and then into the deep fryer.
That's why it's crispy.
Fried banana.
Looks so crispy.
Looks so yummy, right? Wow.
Look at the inside.
Look at the inside.
It's almost like it's melting. The banana.
Yeah,
Almost
really.
like it's melted.
Okay, cheers. This one's better than the corn. This one's better. Really good. Really good. Oh yeah, non. Zit non. Wow. What a great stop.
Mm-hmm.
Just spent 50,000. So like 2 and a bit American dollars. Coffees, teas, fried corn, deep fried banana. What more could you
the
want?
best fried banana.
Wow.
So good.
We were just stopping because we're cold, want something warm to drink. Next thing you know, we got 5 minutes of vlogging done. I swear we're gonna make it to this mountain eventually. We keep getting sidetracked. We're going to the mountain now. Now,
Okay.
one more thing I want to vlog because it's cold. It's not that cold. It's like 15 degrees. And
But when you're on a motorbike,
when you're on a
it's freezing.
motorbike, it's very cold. Now, I'm not even going that fast. I'm going like 40 kilometers an hour. But my nose and my face are freezing. So I'm wearing all the clothes I have brought on this little side trip. Our big bags are back in Hajong. So I only have 1 clean pair of clothes left to try and cover my face. I have to do this.
What the heck?
I'm gonna make this work. I don't know how to get it over my face in a safe way, but this is what we're going to do for the rest of the trip. Underpants on my face. Is it obvious underpants?
Yes.
Looks like underpants?
Yes.
Damn.
It's okay. No one's gonna see you on the way.
I think it's a good idea because my nose was hurting.
Yeah.
My throat was hurting. I'm gonna get a cold.
Okay.
Okay. Hit the road. By this much. Woo! Wow, tiny little village. This way?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Wow, amazing, right? So quiet and peaceful here. A little village here. I think we're almost there. I'm getting really... The anticipation is building because it's like this little road with the rock wall beside us. Little village. I'm thinking it can't really sneak up on us. It's a mountain. It should be visible.
beautiful, man.
There it is. Wow. Oh. Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Look at the thing down here even. Wow. Some buffalo. Hey, buffalo. Everybody good? Oh, let's cover birds. Sorry, dude. How far do we go? Oh, wow. Wow. Wow.
Hi, buffalo.
Oh, a white one.
Oh, you're so beautiful.
I've never seen a white one before.
Oh, you're so beautiful. Hello.
You're right here, we say, no?
Yeah.
Wow, what a place to be, no? Yeah. The question is, Ivana, am I gonna fly the drone right through the hole?
Oh, don't risk it.
Wow, the Eagle Eye! This place is really great. Lots of villagers walking by, carrying stuff, like on their back. Some of them are walking by barefoot. I'm thinking, aren't their feet like freezing cold? People are so tough compared to me.
We saw some buffalo. It was cool.
Saw some buffalo. I'm over here, underpants on my face. My nose is cold, underpants. These people are walking by barefoot, not complaining. Man, these people are tough. Really great place here. This place, one piece of advice, if it were summer, this place would be amazing for a picnic. Don't you
That's
think?
true. Yeah.
The grass is like golf course grass. I don't know who's maintaining it. Obviously no one, but it's perfect grass. Put a blanket out, bring some sandwiches, bring some beers.
So beautiful.
Surrounded by these mountains. Even if there wasn't a hole in that mountain, it's still really nice here. It's like
That's
relaxing and quiet and villagers and beautiful grass to sit on.
Yeah.
But the Eagle Eye makes it all the better.
So nice. It's beautiful.
Great day we've had so far. We've been adventuring on the bike. We found this place. Really amazing.
Beautiful.
Thought about flying the drone through the hole. Even when it was in the air and it was close, I was like, I'm not going to do it.
No.
That's a good way to lose the drone. I bet you in 20 years, there will be like dozens of drones in the hole crashed. Right?
That's true.
When it gets more popular, it will be an amazing shot, but I'm just going to crash it and lose the drone and leave garbage on the mountain. And
Yeah,
I'm not gonna
don't do it.
5-star, loved Eagle Eye. It's on fire. Make piles and burn it right there so it returns the nutrients back to the soil.
Ah.
I'm guessing. And we're in Cao Bang. Alright everybody, thanks for watching our video. We're at the bus stop now, headed for our 8-hour sleeper bus.
Back to Hanoi.
Back to Hanoi. Had a great time up in northern Cao Bang.
It was beautiful.
Really loved it. We had a lot of fun today acting silly. Saw the Eagle Eye. Did not dare to fly the drone through it, but still a great day. So thanks for watching. Next stop, we're going down to Hanoi. 8-hour sleeper bus. Shrinking in the corner magically. Below us, you'll see our most recent video, our most recent upload. You can see what we're up to now, what bus we're taking, what mountain we're thinking about flying the drone near, and on the left, some of our other videos. Please subscribe. Trying our
Love
best to
you.
make good content. Love you.
Yeah.
Wow, what a nice girl. Do you love me too?
Love you too.
Wow. Bye.
Bye.